everyone, my name's Spurs, and yes, it's been a while we haven't done the character stories yet here. Yes, 在证券公司上班的理由. Let's start. After the Wolf game started, after a while, during the break. Speaking of that, Mr. Shuma, why did you become a white collar? 学长, why did you suddenly ask this? Well, I didn't mean anything. It's just I felt like your occupation doesn't really match with your personality. Indeed, I felt like Shoma is more suitable to become a Durlang. Okay, I think I don't know what exactly here it means here, but basically it's kind of those like play with the girls or anything. I don't know, it's just kind of like, yeah, I guess maybe whatever. If you guys don't know, don't really think about that. Hey. You really are too honest when you tell. You guys are really too honest. Though I'm not going to disagree. Actually, when I was a student, I actually went to the Neogang store and I've earned quite a lot of money. Oh wait, you really did one? And yes, and it's that store's #1. If you can earn a lot of money from that job, why do you have to change to another occupation? Oh, it's just I got bored with it. I have dated with many girls who love men with this occupation, and so I want to understand more different kinds of women. Indeed, true. I felt like for me this kind of dark. I felt like it's hard for my dark character to enter this world. So after I've officially graduated and starting to find a job, I've given up my job and accepted all kinds of interviews from different corporations. All kinds of corporations? Like what kind of corporations? Oh, wait, what? Is this called integrated? Integrated stores? Commercial. Okay, so basically the second one is like 广告代理店 here. There, it's actually, I think he's basically, like there are those people who's going to help for like shooting commercials, right? That's what he's doing. And also the entertainment department. Huh? Isn't that the acting circle? Indeed. Comparing to being an elite at the bonds here, I think this is more suitable for Shuma. Well, yeah, surrounded by beauties to work sounds great. I was thinking of that. There are actually many rules to follow. There are many hidden restrictions, right? No matter how beautiful the others are, using my own power to take advantage of the woman isn't my style. And those normal girls with greater awareness of danger has a better value of taking over them. Just now he seems quite gentleman, but the final reason it's That's always still that terrible. So, I'd like to ask, why do you choose working at the bonds company? Well, that's easy. The reason's easy. Because that company's interviewer is real pretty. Why do I have to say no? It's still because of a woman. Mr. Shuma, your setting is your setting really can't be pushed over. After you want to understand this beauty, what do you want? No, I don't. Oh, do you want to know what happened after this beauty? No, I don't want to listen. If I talk with Shuma, I would feel less nervous. I'll go to another room. Wait, 你这样, I'll go with you. Become an elite at the bonds company. The reason is, just now, it's just a lie. That's just to, cool down the atmosphere just now. My strength is to observe others' actions, and I will change the atmosphere according to my wishes. So that's why I'll enter the company. Controlling how the company runs, it's the best way to go. And that's how I could use my strength easily. I have to use this ability and become the winner in this wolf game. Just now, these two people must have completely got my personality wrong. That means they would underestimate me. So no matter I am the wolf or a sheep, it's both good to me. Now, who should I let? So, I'll let who to. So who should be the one to underestimate me next? Oh wow, it's actually quite creepy here. But yeah, so if you do want to win, indeed it's actually the way. So indeed it has interesting girls. That is actually true though, I think. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.